What if you're suffering from neuropathy and your treatments are giving you side effects? Well, this next Ask the Medical Expert segment has been sponsored by ChiroMed. Joining me this afternoon is Dr. Chad Weber of Regenerative Neuropathy. Dr. Weber, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you. How's it going?
I'm excited that you're here with us. I mean, let's talk a little bit more about neuropathy and what it is.
So neuropathy is, to keep it simple, it's this combination of symptoms. It's numbness, tingling, pins, needles. People's feet are burning, they're hot, they're cold. Eventually, as it progresses, people start losing their balance and start noticing they're walking with canes and walkers and stuff like that.
Oh my gosh, all of the things that no one wants to experience. But Doc, how do you know if someone actually has neuropathy?
I mean, the symptoms are important, but it's also an evaluation process. So in our clinic, they go through a 14-point sensory evaluation. We do thermal imaging to try to determine how bad the circulation is in their feet. We also go through a couple other sensory tests and x-rays if necessary, and kind of the combination of those things gives us an idea of what needs to be done and where they're at.
Absolutely. I mean, you're really getting down to the root cause, what someone's specific issues are, and why do you say it's important to treat neuropathy without medication?
Well, the problem with the medication is, again, it's not treating the root cause like you said. So if you're just taking the medication, and unfortunately what's happening is the patient's progressing over time. They're not really stopping the progression of the disease or in turn reversing the problem that's been going on. So the medication just masks the issue. It's not fixing anything.
Well, if it's just treating the symptoms, then how do we actually treat neuropathy?
Well, it varies from one patient to the other, but in the grand scheme of things, our protocols focus on treating the root cause, which is primarily microcirculation. So patients are losing circulation to their nerves, and the nerves are suffocating and starving to death. And our protocols are designed to restore the blood flow, retrain the nerves, and get the patient back on track.
Hey, I like that. We are all about getting patients back on track, feeling good, feeling better. I mean, who would you say is the best candidate for treatment at ChiroMed?
I mean, anyone really can qualify for what we do. The biggest thing that we like to see in our patients is people that they're concerned about their quality of life. They want to play with their grandkids. They want to play golf. They want to enjoy retirement. They care about the quality of how their life is going to be. So the people that are committed to getting better, don't want to continuously take the medications, those are the people we really like to help out and keep their lives moving.
I like that. We're helping you get some help, some treatment, and you can also learn a little bit more in your new book. It's called The Regenerative Effect.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit more about this.
So it's a book we put together that basically summarizes the causes of neuropathy. We're big on education, so we educate all of our patients on what the root causes of neuropathy are. It goes through dietary guidelines, lifestyle issues. It goes through some of the protocols that we utilize in the clinic. It also goes through the educational process of teaching patients why, unfortunately, medications are not fixing their problem. So it's big on education, basically, is our whole point with doing the book.
Okay, but we know that knowledge is power. So if you're interested in getting your hands on this book, you absolutely can, St. Louis. All you have to do is head online to their website. It is regenerative-neuropathy.com. And actually today, if you're at home, you are watching, you're like, hey, I'm having symptoms of neuropathy, or I've actually received a neuropathy diagnosis, and you're still not getting the treatment that you need, look no further than ChiroMed. All you have to do is pick up the phone, give them a call, 618-206-5924, St. Louis. That is the key. $49 exams for the first 15 callers. So if you haven't received that diagnosis, you want to sit down with Dr. Weber and his team. They're absolutely here to help you. All you have to do is visit them online, regenerative-neuropathy.com, or again, be one of the first 15 callers to receive a free copy of Dr. Weber's book, as well as that $49 exam. We'll make sure you have access to all of that information on our website at studiostl.tv.